Welcome to Champaign Ford City. This is Todd, and we've got another Supercharged F150 ready to go. This is a 2022 four-wheel drive Atlas Blue, 705 horsepower with the Roush Supercharger on this one. Color matched bumpers, two-tone front grille, painted to match fender vents, door handles. Got a set of 22-inch Nitto wheels on there, gloss black. And those are Nitto 420V tires. MBRP catback exhaust. It's kind of our normal treatment we do on these trucks. Tinted glass, tinted tail lights, third brake lights tinted as well. We've got a 331 electronic locking differential, satellite radio, fog lamps, carpeted floorboard, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, Bluetooth obviously. Those are actually power heated mirrors. So nicely equipped for an XL. This Atlas Blue is a new color this year. A real nice metallic in it. Got Ford Performance door sill plates. Let's take a look under the hood. There's the Roush Supercharger. I can say 705 horsepower with these. The nice cold air box. The see-through lid gives it a nice touch. So again, four-wheel drive, 705 horsepower. This color is just amazing out here in the sun. Those are, again, a gloss black 22-inch. I believe they're 22 by 9.5. And we've got a set of 305 4022 Nitto 420Vs is what those are. Alright, so this is one of the last 22s we're going to have. We've got this one and one more coming. We're waiting on the Supercharger for it. We've already got the paint work done, so it won't take long once we get the parts. This is $69,990 again for a four-wheel drive Supercharged. It's the IHC suspension. It's the ride quality kit, so it's going to ride as close to factory. Utilizes the front strut assembly from the factory. 3-inch drop in the front, and it's a flip kit in the rear, which lowers it 5 inches. Nice aggressive stance, still rides good. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Look forward to your comments. Have a great day.